Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make no-bake cookie balls. These cookies are sugar-free and gluten-free, making them the perfect holiday treat. For this recipe you need half cup of walnut butter, or you can use any kind of nut butter, and quarter cup of honey. Then I'm going to pop this into the microwave for roughly around 30 seconds until they're all melt and nice and smooth. Add 1½ cup of oat flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and pinch of salt. Mix all together until it forms a dough. Then just chill it in the fridge for around 1 hour. So it's been 1 hour, my dough is chilled. Then just roll it in the palm of your hand until it forms a ball. Another bowl, add 3 ounces of dark chocolate and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or any kind of oil, and melt in the microwave. Today I'm using sprinkles, finely chopped walnuts, and unsweetened shredded coconut. We are going to take one of your cookie balls and use 2 forks or any utensils you want to just coat in the melted chocolate. Then you can just dip your chocolate coated cookie into your bowl of toppings and coat it lightly using a spoon. Now repeat with all of your toppings and cookies. Delectable bite-sized cookie balls that are healthy and so light too, perfect for holiday.